everyone, welcome back. If you're new here, I'm Katie, and today we are going to be doing our weekly faith layout in our planners today. So I had something else planned, but then kind of forgot that it was July 4th coming up. So I changed my mind, and we're going to go ahead and do a kind of 4th of July layout this week. Can't believe that it's already pretty much July. Like, it just went so fast, but the weather where I live has been beautiful. Like, it's been gorgeous. It's been like high 60s, low 70s all week, and it's just perfect. I love this weather. So if it doesn't get any hotter than this during the whole summer, I would probably be really happy about that. Let me know how your weather is wherever you are. I'm sure it's probably like really, really hot in some places. I think I'll use these 3 washi tapes. So I have some red and blue. I don't have white. Do I have white washi tape? I have white graph paper, but I don't have plain white. I think we'll just do red and blue. Since the paper is white, we'll just count it that way. So I'm going to go ahead and lay down my washi tape. Red and blue washi tape down. Now I'm going to go ahead and use this one. There's not many 4th of July ones in here, but there are a few, and there's some kind of summer stuff that we can use in here. So this is the seasonal book by Happy Planner, and there's a few stickers in here, but not too many. So let's see what we have. Okay, so they have a lot of summer related ones, and then just a few here and there of 4th of July. So let's go ahead and I think we'll do like some of the squares. There is one with a cute little stripe pattern that we can use. So I'll use one of these. Let's put that one over here. So I'll put this one here. And let's see, what else do we want here? Yeah, so that's pretty much the end of our 4th of July summer. So you don't really get a lot of stickers. So we'll just go ahead and add some of the cute ones. Like there's one that says summer fun. Then we can add on here. Let's see, there's a couple of stars which are really cute. I might go ahead and use those. So I'll grab these little stars. They're so small. I need like one of those little tweezer things because they're so teeny. Teeny stars. I thought they were a lot bigger than that, but I guess they're not. They look smaller on the paper, don't they? Okay, so we'll go ahead and put a couple of stars up there. Let's see. Oh, there is a red star. Might as well put them all up on here. Since there's not that many, we're probably not going to reuse this sticker book. Well, at least for those anyways. Okay. Let's see, what else do we want? I'm going to use some of these cute little flags. I like using the little flags. I mean, I don't really use them for like technically anything, but like they're just fun to decorate. Like, you know, you can use them for possibly like pointing out like an important verse or something, but really only like to use them just for decoration. I don't really care what I put there. So let's see, what else do we want? Let's put the love this. Put that there. Let's see, what else can we use here? I'm thinking about kind of using the flamingos, but maybe not. Let's see, what else do we want here? I don't think there's any more squares in here. Nope. Okay, so that is our only squares. So I might use these just to use some squares up so we can have a couple of different squares. Let's see. I'm going to put this one somewhere down here. I'll put it right in the center here. Probably put too much tape down on the bottom, but that's okay. So I'll put one there, and we'll put the other blue one on the other side. So you've got a little bit of different colors and blues and reds going on, but that's okay. Doesn't have to match exactly. Probably should have put this tab sticker somewhere else. I'll put the tab sticker over here, and I'll put this one over here. There we go. Let's see what else we want. I was tempted to go ahead and put some flamingos, but I think the flamingos are going to be a little bit different. Let's see, when's the 4th of July? Monday. Maybe I'll put it up here. Or down here. I like it down here, actually. I don't want to move this sticker just ahead of it, so I'll put this one in the corner. I thought I was going to cover it up, but I guess not. So we'll put back that sticker. All right, so we've got 4th of July. Technically, we're probably going to be watching fireworks on the 3rd because it is a weekday and a lot of places are doing it on the 3rd for some reason. So, okay, let's see. What else do we want? We don't really do backyard barbecues too much anymore, but it's kind of fun to have some kind of like just summery things going on in our picture. Like, it doesn't technically have to be anything that we're going to do or anything, but we'll just add a couple of really fun, cute stickers to our page. So we'll put those 2 on. What else do we want? Do we want some fruit? I do love fruit. Fruit is really nice. You can use the Sweet Land of Liberty sticker. Let's see. Let's put that one here maybe. And what else do we want? Do we want to use another square sticker or no? I think we're okay not using another one, so we'll save that one for something else. All right, let's see what else do we have here. Yeah, you don't get many stickers, which kind of stinks, but that's okay. Let's see, we'll put one up here. Let's put one up here. That's another handy trick too. If you have if you don't feel like making straight lines on your washi tape, just use a sticker to cover it up. It's that easy. Okay. Let's see, what else do we want? Might not be using too many in here since there really isn't a whole lot going on, but okay, here's a couple more stars we can use. At least I think these stars are a lot easier. Yeah, they are. Is this like a whole Okay, it's a really tiny star. I lied. I thought it was a bigger star. I'm not probably going to even be able to get it off. Wow. It's so teeny. I guess we'll put it over here. Man, those are really teeny stars. Like, how do you even get them off? I'm surprised I am getting them off. I am going to probably need one of those tweezers. There we go. So we got 2 stars over there. Those are really hard to get off, apparently. I'm going to try one more time. Come on. Man, never again. Those are crazy. They're so small. Okay. I didn't realize how small they were until I started putting them on. Alright, so I got a bunch of stars. Let's see, what else do we want? We don't really need any of the vacation ones. We already came back from a vacation recently. I don't think I want any of the fruit. I think we're good with this one. We could do the Today Will Be Great sticker. But I don't know where we need another square. Maybe I'll move the Sweet Land of Liberty and put that somewhere else. I like how fairly easy those stickers are to remove just as long as you're careful. Sometimes they're pretty stuck, but most of the time they're usually pretty nice. Okay, and I'm going to put this one, maybe I'll just overlay it somewhere. Maybe I'll put it in the focus section, or maybe not. No, I think I'll just overlay it over those other ones. So there we go. Okay, so I think we're done with our 4th of July stickers. I'm sorry there wasn't more. I don't honestly think I have any more. If I did, probably the same situation. Not that many. All right, so let's go ahead and put some of our fake stickers down. Okay, so I found my Grateful Thankful sticker pack, and this one has some really pretty blue ones that I think will be great for this because the other sticker books that I had for Faith ones really didn't match. So I think these are going to be really, really nice to fit in here. So let's see, I think I'll put one up here. Right at the top there. Let's see what else we want. We can also use letters if we wanted to. Maybe we'll use letters this time. That might be fun. Okay, we've got a Jesus fish. Using up all the blue stickers today. Let's put right here. And what else do we want? Oops. Don't want to miss a page because we might miss something nice. Let's use the He Reigns. That one's a nice one. I like that one. You can even overlay it over your washi tape if you want, which I might, just so there's enough writing room, although I might not end up writing a lot this week, so let's go ahead and add it up here. And what else do I want to use? Let's see. I like this one. I'm not going to use all the blue stickers. I'll save some of them, but I like this one that says afloat with God's love. Kind of goes with like a summery feeling. So let's use that one. I think I'll put this one right in the rough center. I think that's the center, or I'm close to it. Oops, I am covering up the grate. Come back, sticker. I don't want to cover it up. I think we're... Yeah, these ones are harder to get up. But I think I can. Oh, no, maybe not. Oh, no. Might end up ripping our page just a little bit. I'm trying to be careful. Okay, I ripped it a little bit, but it's your own page, so don't worry about if it gets ripped. I only ripped a tiny bit off that one sticker, so I'm not going to worry about it. I think I'm going to put it down here, I think, since that spot was kind of a weird spot, so we'll just put it down here. There we go. Okay. So I think that's good, and why don't we go ahead and use some of those letter stickers? I think that'll be fun. Okay, so I was able to put God is freedom on there. I had enough letter stickers, thankfully. Okay, so I think that's our pages for this week. I think it turned out really cute. I didn't really put anything up at the top too much, but I think it looks really cute. We have enough for writing. I hope to catch up completely in my planner, and this Wednesday I'm going to do a complete flip through from January through June. So stay tuned for that. You'll see all my writing in it. I will keep like my prayer lists private and stuff like that, but you should be able to see almost everything this year. So yeah, I'm excited to do a complete flip through. I know my friend wanted to see one. So yeah, I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, please give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe down below. I hope you all have a wonderful day, and I will see you all in the next video.